Okay, so hey y'all. So I got Ari in the studio with me right now. She's listening to Elmo, and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to like talk to y'all at the end of this video like I normally do with my wig reviews, but I'm probably going to have to do a voiceover in today's video because if I turn Elmo down, it's a wrap, like seriously. So yeah, I'm gonna just catch y'all in the video. I just wanted to show you guys this quick little cute install because I am feeling it. It's super flat, super cute. So yeah, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's jump into it. This is a 13 by 4 pre-plucked 150% density lace frontal wig with blonde highlights, or a blonde patch I should say. This wig is from KriyyaHair. I'll make sure I have their link below in the description bar. So right here I am just really focusing in on the lace. Now I don't believe this is like an HD or transparent lace, but whatever it is definitely giving scalp. It is definitely giving a natural, blendable, seamless look. So the only thing I did to the lace off camera was actually bleach the knots. This wig does come with like dark roots, almost black. So I would suggest going in and bleaching the knots. But I mean, you kind of don't have to because it really wasn't too bad. But just so that the lace blends into your skin a little bit better, I would go ahead and just bleach the knots, honestly. Also, this wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline. Now, I will say you get about an inch and a half of pre-plucked lace, which I think is pretty good, especially because I didn't actually go in and do any additional plucking to this lace. It must have been like a good amount of lace that was pre-plucked. So anyways, I'm just going to pull out some hairs on the side just to do my baby hairs. So this step is something new that I just started adding to my wig installs. Well, I mean, I didn't just start adding it, but I started adding concealer in different parts of my lace. So you guys know that I normally put concealer wherever my part is, just to enhance the part and also conceal any other little black dots that maybe did not get bleached. But I've also been liking how my wig looks when I apply concealer like on my baby hair parting, if that makes sense. It just adds a little bit more definition, especially like if your hairline is not like plucked really good. It can definitely give an illusion of scalp if you add a little bit of concealer and kind of go in the direction of where the baby hairs is laying. I hope that makes sense, but you guys saw me do it in the video. So now I'm about to straighten this wig. I was going to put some crimps in the hair, but then I said nah, because of the texture with this wig, I definitely wanted to see how it looks and how it flows with 180% density. And honestly, I love this wig with it being straightened. So y'all know I love a wig even more when it lays flat on my head, and this wig is definitely flat as I don't know what. So y'all know the vibes. I love this right here now. Okay, and this is pretty much the end results of this beautiful 13x4 lace frontal wig. It was a super quick but cute install. As you guys can see, this wig is definitely on the full side considering it is a 24-inch. Again, the density is 180%. I'm not quite sure what type of lace this is, but it is, like I said, definitely giving me like clear lace, skin lace, all that good stuff. But I don't think it's either one of those. But it's definitely a nice quality wig. So yeah, this little pop of color definitely helped take a regular 24-inch wig to another level by just, you know, adding a little blonde patch in the front. So y'all already know all of the information will be below in the description bar. Let me know if you're able to get your hands on this wig because it's a really nice quality wig, especially a wig with highlights in it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.